Apps are on our phones, tablets, and even TVs. They help us with everything. We use them to shop, learn, and connect with friends. Some apps entertain us. Other apps help us stay organized. If you have an idea, it can become an app. The app world is exciting and competitive. Successful apps solve problems for people. They are easy to use and look great. Think about problems you can solve with an app. What would make people's lives easier or more fun? Let's explore how to make your app idea a reality. First, you need a great app idea. What problem will your app solve? Who are your target users? Think about what people need or want. Is there a gap in the market your app can fill? Research is key. Look at similar apps in the app stores. What do they do well? What can be improved? Understanding your audience is crucial. Are you targeting teenagers, professionals, or a specific niche? Knowing your audience helps you design and market your app effectively. App design is crucial. It needs to be user-friendly and visually appealing. UX design focuses on how the app works. It should be intuitive and easy to navigate. UI design is about the app's look and feel. It should be attractive and engaging. Keep things simple. Too many features can overwhelm users. Focus on a clean layout, clear fonts, and appealing colors. A well-designed app keeps users coming back for more. It's all about creating a positive and enjoyable experience. Now it's time to build your app. This stage involves coding, which brings your design to life. You'll need to choose the right technology for your app. Consider factors like platform, iOS or Android, and app complexity. Testing is crucial throughout development. Regularly test your app to identify and fix bugs. Prototyping is helpful. Create a basic version of your app to test functionality and design early on. This helps you gather feedback and make improvements before the final launch. Section 5, testing. Testing 1, 2, 3. Is your app ready? Before launching, thorough testing is essential. Beta testing involves releasing your app to a limited group of users. Encourage beta testers to provide feedback. This helps you identify any remaining bugs or areas for improvement. Pay close attention to user feedback. It's invaluable for refining your app and making it the best it can be. Testing ensures your app is stable, functional, and provides a positive user experience. Section 6. Spread the word marketing your app. With your app ready, it's time to market it. Create a buzz around your app launch. App Store optimization, or ASO, is crucial. Use relevant keywords in your app title and description. Social media is a powerful tool. Promote your app on platforms where your target audience hangs out, and consider influencer marketing. Partner with individuals who can introduce your app to their followers. Section 7. Keep it fresh. Updates and improvements. Launching your app is just the beginning. Regular updates keep users engaged. Listen to user feedback and make necessary improvements. Add new features, fix bugs, and optimize performance. Stay informed about industry trends. The app world is constantly evolving. Adapt your app to meet changing user needs and preferences. Regular updates show users that you're invested in their experience and committed to providing a valuable product. Section 8. Success stories. Apps that made it big. Many apps have achieved incredible success. Take Instagram, for example. It focused on a specific need, sharing photos, and made it easy and fun. Another example is Duolingo. This language learning app made education engaging and accessible through gamification. These apps succeeded by understanding their audience, solving a problem, and constantly innovating. They serve as inspiration for aspiring app developers. With a great idea, hard work, and a focus on the user, anything is possible. Section 9. Your app journey starts now. Creating a successful app is a journey. It requires planning, creativity, and perseverance. Remember to start with a strong idea and a clear understanding of your target audience. Design an app that is both user-friendly and visually appealing. Test your app thoroughly, incorporate user feedback, and market it effectively. And importantly, never stop innovating and updating your app. Now is the time to take action. Transform your app idea into reality and make your mark on the exciting world of mobile applications.